Five shockingly creepy and bloodthirsty birds. Number 5. Great white pelicans roam the coasts of Eurasia, filling their multi-gallon bills with fish and other sea life. However, there are few limits to the pelican's ability to swallow prey whole, and rather surprising larger animals may be targeted. Recently, a great white was filmed at a London park capturing a live pigeon in its massive jaws, before swallowing the bird alive. Not many avians are capable of simply swallowing another bird whole. Even adult gulls and young cormorants' pelican relatives have been drowned and swallowed headfirst. How much carnage occurs on the world's lakes, out of sight of human observers. Number 4. Vulture Ins guinea fowl. Vulture Ins guinea fowl are extraordinarily creepy game birds. These highly aggressive, sharp-beaked ground stalkers hunt in groups, and unusually for a relative of chickens, capture and kill small mammals. It is their appearance that is the most horrifying, however. Vulture Ins have dark plumage from which emerges a snake-like neck. On top is a nearly featherless head from which several accent feathers stick out. The bright red, staring eyes add to the awful appearance. To resolve territorial disputes, the males of this primitive bird species lash out with sharp spurs and slash opponents with their sharp bills. Number 3. Anhinga. Anhinga are more commonly known as snake birds. When they rise up from the depths of a swamp, just their neck and razor-sharp bill is visible. To add to the creepy factor, these strange water birds are all black, make weird growling calls, and can sink silently into view before disappearing underwater. The creatures have inspired much superstition and folklore with their disconcerting appearance and mysterious habits. To assist in diving, the bird's plumage is not fully waterproof. The bird can occasionally be seen emerging from the swamp to dry off. Number 2. Hood Mockingbird. The hood mockingbird is an aberrant member of the thrasher family of birds found on the Galapagos Islands of Ecuador. These shocking songbirds have adapted to the lack of fresh water and food sources on the dry Galapagos Islands by drinking the blood of young seabirds while they sit in their nests. The sharp, curved bill is well suited to this gruesome feeding method. The host birds often survive, only to be subject to repeat, potentially fatal blood-sucking attacks. Number 1. Vampire Finch. Bram Stoker meets the birds. Just when it couldn't get worse among avian monstrosities, we discover the vampire finch. This close relative of pet canaries and Alfred Hitchcock's chimney-swarming house sparrows has evolved with a disturbing difference. Using its sharp beak adapted for capturing insects, the vampire finch has developed the gruesome habit of approaching adult and juvenile birds of all sizes and grasping on with its feet, then gashing them and drinking their blood. Such a small vampire bird is hard to shake off, and will quickly return for more due to its high metabolism. Nothing is creepier than a little songbird that latches on and drinks blood,